strawberry milk.
What's the problem, mate?
It's just, I'm running out of ideas for YouTube, and I've only made 3 episodes.
What do you do on YouTube?
I parody 18-year-old nerds by replacing amusement park rides with kitchen things.
God, that's stupid.
Yeah, I know.
So, are you running out of ideas for specifically?
Sketches.
Isn't this one?
Oh yeah, but it need another one for the end.
Just make it up as you go.
Okay, but what should I do for a kitchen object?
1 second. Can I get your glass so I can put it in the dishwasher?
I have an idea. What is a dishwasher? Dishwashers are kitchen machines that cleans dirty dishes. Dishwashers can clean off almost all foods like ketchup, ribs, and
tempasta sauce.
Alright, we don't need a Custer Studios reference. The more I think about it, these have basically become Taylor's coaster parodies. With kitchen utensils. Don't forget to put soap in the dishwasher. Without soap it won't clean anything. Don't run your dishwasher until it's full, because if you run it with one plate, the plate would be lonely, almost as lonely as Harry, who had no buddies and will never have a girlfriend.
Water rides are amazing.
No.
Wait, who was that?
I think Zoe's is about.
Alright, that's it. Beep boo boo bop boo boo beep. It's done, Robot Zoe.
Hello.
It works. It actually works.
I'll be your girlfriend, you handsome beast. Why is my hand a dirty spoon? Let me go wash it in the dishwasher.
Oh no, Zoe.
The door's locked. It's no use.
Any last words? Any at all?
You know, it's kind of pathetic you had to build yourself a girlfriend.
Wow, that death was less dramatic than Superman's.